What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick what my engine bay is looking like. I did not wash it all winter long. As you can see, we got dirt and grime. Just got an oil change, so that's what that oil is there. I'm about to wipe that off now, but this stuff is looking super dirty. If you haven't seen my videos on these, go check that out. These are the half covers with the Hemi logo engraved. In the video, I show you guys how to install them, paint them, customize them so that these can fit properly. The catch can, go check out that video as well. We got the modified unlocked PCM. Got videos on all these. Got the STRUT-BAR from Grocery Getter Racing. Cold air intake, AFE power. Make sure you guys go check out all those videos. By the way, we got videos coming up on, I'm going to do a full cleaning of this, take this whole thing out, wash it real nice. As you can see how dirty it is. This is what I love about this intake system. You can just look right in the sight glass and see exactly how dirty it is. That's one of the main reasons I bought this. Go check out the video. I got several videos on this. We got a video coming of the oil catch can. We're gonna remove it, remove all the old dirty oil. We're gonna clean this whole engine bay. We got a video of that coming as well. My inspections are coming up in June, so we're gonna take off our unlocked PCM and put in our stock PCM. And then we're gonna take our Diablo tune, everything back to stock. All the videos on all that we got coming. I'll post a video of everything you see in here. The catch can, cold air intake, engine half covers, strut bar. I'll post all the videos of these in the description. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you haven't. We got more great content on the way. I will see you guys in the next video. Alex RT Life signing off.